In front of me is Redmi A5 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to click on security and privacy. Then you need to scroll down to tap on device unlock and finally hit screen lock. Now it's time to decide which of those login methods you wish to use: pattern, PIN or password. Then create it. Hit next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then select confirm. Following that, tap on one of those options to adjust lock screen notifications. Click on show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all to pick the best option, and then select done at the bottom right corner to save your choice. So now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!